Chanel. Put in Chanel.
Hey, say love me, you ain't put me Chanel. Hey, say love me, you ain't put me Chanel.
Hi, I'm Albert Furing, and many people call me Gigi. I started when I was in high school. During my SPA career, kasi nung high school ako, isa akong dancer. So, sa pagiging dancer, kailangan matutong mag-makeup. So, doon ako natuto and eventually, nag-start na yung hanggang college, naging ko na siya, hobby. I'm also a fashion designer and a fashion stylist, a celebrity stylist. And I studied in Slim's Fashion School. And I also graduated in Far Eastern University, Manila. I took up Bachelor of Fine Arts major in Advertising Art. So, yun yung naging ko. And yung pag-makeup, 40% lang. And yung 60% is yung main income ko na fashion design and styling. Siguro I have free will and I handle my time. Yun yung siguro number one yun. And yung connection sa client on how you communicate and connect. Siguro yung isa yun sa natutunan ko sa pag-freelance ko and pagdudoing makeup. Kasi mahirap talaga makipag-communicate. I know from other artists, especially I'm into arts, mahirap talaga. Kasi may mga introvert and siguro naging practice yun sa akin to connect to people. I guess, nung makeup ako sa Mega kasi kailangan sundin yung mood board and kailangan sundin ko ano yung binigay na deck. Siguro yun yung medyo nahirapan ako. Siguro isa sa lesson is hindi madali maka-earn ng money sa papasukin mo na katulad nito in terms of art industry sa Philippines because mahirap makipagsabayan, especially if wala kang connection sa mga malalaking tao or hindi ka naka-earn ng connection with other people. Kasi dito sa Philippines, kung sino lang yung kilala, yun lang yung binubook. So, mahirap talaga. So, siguro dapat connect, practice, and yun lang, earn connection, practice and practice and practice hanggang sa gumaling ka and mapunta ka sa dapat mong kalagyan and makuha mo yung dream mo.